What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So ordered a part for the Volvo. Bring it up the box real quick. New front grille, kind of like the one I got on the Genesis, like the mesh grille. Had to get that for the Volvo. Because I didn't want to have the Volvo logo on there, how I took it off. So I was like, because it looks bad. Well, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look the best right now. Just what happened. So it looks like that, and then the paint's chipping and shit. So got this one off eBay. It was like I don't know, like $150, something like that. So I was like, I'll just pick it up. So let's get this unwrapped, and then I'll pop the other one off. I'll show you guys how to do that, and then we'll get this one off. So let's take a flathead or something. Pop out the bottom. It's like, oh. And the rest should pull right out. Just like that. I was gonna make a custom mesh grill by basically just taking that, cutting it, get mesh off Amazon or something, then putting something on the back so it stays in. But didn't want to go through all that. Didn't want to paint it and all that because it's just chipping, and I put clear coat on it, sand it, all that. It's just still chipping, so I don't want to deal with it. This should be perfect. So let's get this unwrapped. So on eBay, you can either get the gloss black, like what I got here, or you can get a flat black or a matte black or whatever. I went with the gloss. Soon I am looking at getting wheels because, I mean, you can see these ones, right? And plus I don't want to keep the winters on, so. But yeah, so let's pop this in. It should, it's starting to rain, but it should just pop right in like that. Let's give it a couple hits. Boom. Yeah, that looks way better. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys, so unfortunately, that is going to be it. My snap intake pipe, I ordered that in November, and it's still not here. I looked on Viva, and they said it's on back order late March. So I messaged Snap, and they were saying they have another delay with the pipe, so it's going to be a little bit longer. It's really kind of pissing me off, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for the short one, but gonna have some parts for the Jenny. You guys might be asking, I did have to put an axle in the Volvo because this one is fucked. But yeah, so I put a brand new one in, got from IPD USA. Tried to get a bunch of them around here, and nobody had it, so it wasn't that bad though. Only took probably a half hour, 45 minutes. But yeah, guys, so see you in the next video. Let's get one more look at that. Yeah, that was way better. All right, peace out.